Hose clamps can be difficult to get to, especially if they're located right down at the bottom of the engine bay where access is difficult. Reach for these new double-jointed hose clamp pliers from Laser Tools. The double-jointed design and spring-assisted handle means easy one-handed operation, and the useful 430mm length lets you get right down between the engine and radiator. They can also be locked to hold the clamp open while you work. Easy when you've got the right tool. Now this is an awkward one. This clamp is hidden under the header tank and has been fitted at an angle that's going to make it difficult to access. Let's have a try with some standard hose clamp pliers. The header tank is in the way from this angle. Let's try it from underneath. Nope, can't get properly onto the hose clamp from this side. What to do? Let's try out these new angled head hose clamp pliers. They've just been introduced by Laser Tools. The 35-degree angled head is designed to gain access to those tight areas, and in this case, straight in and onto the hose clip. The new Laser 7397 and 7518, two specialist hose clamp pliers designed to help make your job a lot easier.